All right, so I keep seeing TikTok videos from people talking about this Aiper pool robot. This is the Seagull SE, and people keep raving about it on TikTok, and I'm pretty sure they're full of it. So I shocked my pool overnight, which has caused all the algae and everything to die and sink to the bottom. I shut my filter off just a minute ago to try to calm the water down, but this is how dirty it is right now. And I am going to drop this guy in here. It's got a full charge. Battery is on, power's on. Drop it down, let it sink. It's wet, there she goes. All right, it's off. It has a full charge. It should run for about 90 to 120 minutes. And then we're gonna come back and see how good of a job it did. So take note of what this pool looks like right now. We're gonna let him run. We'll see how it does. And honestly, here's my biggest complaint about this little robot. You think it's like a Roomba, but it's not. It's not intelligent in how it goes. It literally would just go back and forth. So if it bumps into something, it goes backwards. Bumps into something going that way, it goes forwards. The mechanism works by sucking water in through the base of it, shoving it through what's basically a plastic mesh screen, and then spitting water out the top. And all of the gunk is supposed to get trapped by that screen. But because this thing has zero guidance ability, it just kind of drives itself stupidly around the pool. It tends to miss a lot. And I don't believe that it's actually picking most of this stuff up. It's actually just suspending it back in the water. So it's just kind of shoving it around and making it get resuspended in the water. So if I were to shut the pump off overnight after this thing gets done, the stuff that's in the water would settle back down to the bottom, and you'll see that it's really not cleaning much. It's kicking up a bunch of gunk, but it doesn't actually appear to be picking anything up. And when we clean it out at the end, you'll see that there is definitely some stuff in there, but it's not the magic solution that everyone likes to make it out to be. All right, so flash forward a few hours. The little pool robot is sitting over here by the side because the battery's died. It is officially done with its cleaning, and I mean, you tell me. I don't see this being a whole lot cleaner than it was before. Still a bunch of dead algae just sitting on the ground. Yeah. So anyways, moral of the story, don't believe everything you see on TikTok just because somebody's trying to peddle it. These things suck. And just to give you an idea how it works, let's take the top off. It is literally just a screen that it shoves water through. And this is apparently all that it's cleaned out of the pool. And don't get me wrong, that's definitely gross. Definitely some gunk in there. But for how much these things cost, you're much better off just getting the vacuum attachment for your skimmer, spending 10 minutes and just cleaning the pool the normal way, because this just isn't it.